Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy
know what's stupid?
and pain.
Scouting in the rain and snow.
All insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night.
You got an app, man. You can just download it for free and watch it live.
Well, Charlie's, you watch the golf too?
When the moon is tucked away, pistons pump.
We actually chose to pass on the morning hunt just so we can hunt this wind. It's blowing 25 to 30, gusting to 40 or even 50 today.
When I'm shaking,
And it's gonna blow 50 miles an
bad
hour.
news surrounds me.
So
It's always found me.
the geese did not leave. So now what do we do?
Yeah, the dark days find a way.
It's all corn out there too, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what do you think? Send the dog out there, or set up over here, maybe even? Yeah, I think we set up between the two.
Probably do that instead of pushing them.
Thin line of the lightning strike is sometimes the only light. When the moon is tucked away, the camera captures all the things that make us turn from what we see. It's always rolling, it don't stop rolling. I haven't slept in 3 damn days. Yeah, but who needs that anyway?
So our plan to sit at the front of the spread because of the high winds kind of backfired on us. Winds died down, and there they are, sitting in our field on the top of the spread. What happens when you try to out snow goose a snow
Sometimes the
goose?
only light when the moon is tucked away.
They're doing normal things today. Leaving at 10 o'clock instead of 4:30.